Ever thought about burning fat while eating fats? Sounds like magic, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the world of keto. This isn't your run-of-the-mill diet. It's a lifestyle change that flips the food pyramid on its head. Instead of loading up on carbs, we're going to get our energy from fats. Yes, you heard it right, fats. It's all about promoting a state of ketosis, where your body turns into a fat-burning furnace, using fats instead of carbohydrates for fuel. Think of it as giving your metabolism a turbo boost while you enjoy butter, cheese, and avocados. But don't worry, this isn't a green light to gorge on greasy fast food. It's about choosing the right fats, the right proteins, and the right carbs. Intrigued, excited, maybe a little bit hungry? Good. So, are you ready to dive into the 7 golden tips to start your keto journey? Buckle up. And before we move on, what's your biggest fear or concern about starting a keto diet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. First up, reduce those carbs, but hey, don't forget your greens. Now, I know what you're thinking. Carbs are life, right? They're in all our favorite foods, pasta, bread, cake. But here's the thing. Carbohydrates are like that friend who always crashes on your couch. They're fun for a while, but eventually, they overstay their welcome and, well, they turn into fat. So it's time to say goodbye to the couch-crashing carbs and hello to the life of the party. Veggies. Vegetables are packed with fiber, which not only keeps you full but also helps your digestion. They're the superheroes of the diet world, swooping in to save the day and help your body burn fat for fuel instead of carbs. Think of it this way. If carbs are the couch potato, vegetables are the marathon runner, always on the move and keeping things running smoothly. And let's not forget they come in a rainbow of colors, making your plate not just healthier, but also more Instagram-worthy. So next time you reach for that pasta, imagine a broccoli wearing a superhero cape instead. Stress and keto are like oil and water, they just don't mix. Now you might be wondering, what's stress got to do with my diet? Well, my friends, a lot more than you might think. You see, when we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can actually inhibit ketosis. That's right, too much stress can throw a wrench in your keto plans, but don't fret. There are plenty of fun, stress-busting activities that can keep cortisol in check. Ever tried yoga or meditation? Not only do these practices promote relaxation, they can also help you stay focused on your keto journey. And how about a bit of laughter? They say it's the best medicine, and it's a fantastic stress reliever too. So, go ahead, watch that hilarious sitcom or share a joke with a friend. Perhaps you're more into hobbies. Painting, gardening, playing an instrument, or even cooking. Yes, cooking those delicious keto meals can be therapeutic too. The key is to find something you enjoy that also relaxes you. And let's not forget the importance of a good night's sleep. It's essential for stress management and promotes overall well-being. So make sure you're getting your 7 to 9 hours of Z's each night. Remember, a stress-free you is a keto-friendly you. In the world of keto, fats are your best friends. That's right, folks, we're flipping the script on the age-old fear of fats. You see, when you're on a keto diet, your body needs fats to produce ketones, which serve as your primary source of energy. It's like your body's very own renewable energy source, and all you need is to fuel up on healthy fats. But hold up, before you go diving into a tub of butter, let's clarify what we mean by healthy fats. We're talking about the unsaturated kind, found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These are the A-listers of the fat world, the ones you want at your dinner party. Now you might be thinking, but aren't fats bad for my heart? Well, it's time to debunk that myth. Research shows that it's not fats per se that are the bad guys, but rather certain types of fats. So, invite those healthy fats to your plate. They are the life of the keto party. On a keto diet, you've got to move it to lose it. Now don't get spooked. We're not talking about running a marathon here. A casual stroll around your neighborhood, a quick dance-off in your living room, or even a brisk walk with your dog can do wonders. Exercise is like the secret sauce that adds a little zing to the keto lifestyle. It boosts the process of ketosis, where your body turns fat into fuel instead of carbs. And guess what? You're not just losing weight, but also gaining energy. It's like a 2-for-1 deal, and who doesn't love a good bargain? But remember, it's not about going extreme, it's about consistency. Find something you enjoy doing and stick to it. Maybe you love yoga, or perhaps kickboxing is your thing. The key is to have fun while you're at it. And here's a bonus tip. Switch it up a little. Variety is the spice of life, after all. So one day you could be cycling and the next you could be doing Pilates. This way your workout routine never gets boring. So put on those sneakers and let's get moving. Water and protein, the 2 pillars of your keto journey. Now we're all aware of the old adage, water is life, right? Well, on a keto diet it becomes more like, Water is the key to a successful diet. You see, hydration is the unsung hero of the keto world. It helps you feel fuller, boosts your metabolism, and let's not forget, it does wonders for your skin too. So, while you're busy counting your carbs and fats, don't forget to up your H2O game. And no, coffee and diet soda do not count. Sorry caffeine lovers, moving on to our 6th tip, protein. Now don't get this twisted. A keto diet is not an all-you-can-eat protein buffet. However, maintaining a good level of protein is crucial. It helps preserve muscle mass, keeps you feeling satisfied, and guess what? It also aids in fat burning. Now isn't that a triple threat you'd want on your side? Here's a fun way to remember it. Think of protein as your trusty sidekick, always there to back you up. It's like the Robin to your Batman, the Chewbacca to your Han Solo, well, you get the drift. But remember, while protein is important, it's not the star of the show here. That would be fats. So, while you're enjoying your chicken breast or tofu, make sure you're not skimping on your healthy fats. In a nutshell, the keto diet is all about balance. Balance your carbs with your veggies, balance your stress with some relaxation, balance your fats and proteins, and balance your hydration. It's like a tightrope walk, but with delicious food and fantastic results. So keep that water bottle handy, and make protein your go-to snack. Last but not least, don't let keto interrupt your social life. Yes, you heard it right. The keto journey isn't a solitary one. You can still be the life of the party, the social butterfly, all while sticking to your keto regimen. Now, you might be wondering, how do you navigate social outings, especially those involving food? That's where smart socializing comes into play. It's all about making the right food choices without feeling deprived or singled out. First things first, when dining out, opt for places that offer a variety of food options. This way you can easily find something keto-friendly on the menu. Go for grilled, roasted, or steamed options instead of fried or breaded. Next, don't shy away from customizing your order. Ask for that burger without the bun, replace fries with a side salad, or get that dressing on the side. Remember, you're in control of what you eat. If you're headed to a party, offer to bring a dish. This way you ensure there's at least one keto-friendly option available. Plus, you might just introduce others to the delicious world of keto. And here's the golden tip. Always have a healthy snack before you head out. This way, you're not ravenous when you arrive, making it easier to resist those carb-heavy appetizers. Finally, remember that it's okay to indulge once in a while. If there's a special occasion, or maybe a dessert that you just can't resist, don't be too hard on yourself. The key is to enjoy it, then get right back on track. So go out, have fun, and remember you can be on keto and still be the life of the party. And that's a wrap on our 7 golden keto tips. Let's do a quick lightning round recap, shall we? 1. Trim those carbs but keep the veggies close. 2. Stress less and live more. 3. Grab those healthy fats with both hands. 4. Get moving to get losing. 5 and 6. Hydrate and protein up, your body will thank you. And 7. Keep the party going but make smart choices. Now we know you may have a gazillion questions buzzing in your head. Well, the good news is, we're here to help. So don't hesitate to drop your keto-related questions in the comments section. Whether you're wondering about the best keto-friendly snacks or how to handle keto flu, we've got you covered. So what's your biggest challenge when it comes to starting a keto diet? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it for our Keto Kickstart Guide. We hope you found our tips useful and are feeling confident about embarking on your keto journey. A big thank you to all our viewers for tuning in. If you want to stay updated with more helpful guides and tips, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and will help us continue to bring you quality content. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but about gaining a healthier, happier you. So, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to a healthier you. We can't wait to see you in the next video.